submarine.
Exactly, submarines is what we're making today, or submarine because it's plural.
Or submarine.
No, just one.
Submarino?
No, submarine.
Submarine.
That's what we're making.
Okay.
No, submarine.
Alright.
It won't be a full size one. We couldn't put Richard in there. He wouldn't want to do that. No.
Make a comment if we should make a full-size submarine. Or single-man submarine. That's a thing.
Or a duo, man.
Yeah, I mean, we watched Jason Statham, he did The Meg. He was at a submarine. He was pretty cool.
He's a cool dude. Anyway, I got distracted again. But submarine is what we'll be making, and cue montage. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got it kind of rigged up. You know,
It's very jerry-rigged at the moment. So I've got it.
okay, cool. We just plug that in and see if the pump
So
goes.
we
don't know.
We want to see if it goes in two-way pump. So it's going to go two-way reversible for the ballast tank.
Okay. Beep.
So we know that the servos work.
That's working.
That's good. And now let's try the pump. Cool. And then we know it's reversible because it pulls, and then I go back. And it blows bubbles.
There you go. So it's working. Both ways, two ways. Oh, you just disconnected. Okay, cool.
We've got our submarine setup.
Submarine. That's what it is.
Clearly. So we've got our drive shaft, we've got our rudder and up and down planes. So those are the steering rods, 3D printing for these. So they're going to be inside the tube. And it's going to be down there. They're going to sink all the way down and go at the top, and then another one.
And why have we got
cap?
Yep. And why have we got these?
Okay.
And why have we got that? Why have we got them like this?
Okay, so what's going to happen?
Hey,
is
what's going on, big fella?
Anyway. So anyway, and this is the snorkel from there. That's going to be up to the surface.
And you can't see that. So air intake. So when it breaches the surface, yeah.
Takes the snorkel, right? From the air, reverses the pump. So this is our pump inside here, reversible pump, air C. Yeah, so obviously inlet water valve goes inside. Yeah.
Reversible pump.
Reversible, so it can push water out, and it's going to go and pump into the ballast tank, which is obviously in here.
And
And that's going to go into the center, and these are water dividers, so that way the water will and the air will come from the center point inside the tank and not from the end. So that would make the nose down. We want it to go from the center.
Okay, that's all the stuff.
Now we're just going to do a whole lot of
And that will pump the water back in. And if we want to take it to when it wants to rise, we suck the water back out of these tubes. Yeah, that's in the way.
just that one tube.
Just that one tube.
It goes back through here and then pump it out into the water.
We put the parts in, so here we go. We'll just take that out there. That's the lid. And there we go. You can see what we're done. Just mounted it.
Put those foams in.
Put the tank in, connected the tank over here. And the front.
Sweet as bow. Look at that awesome, sick as 3D print we just did. It was a 19-hour print. Take that, 3D printer.
Cool. And
Now we're working on the stern, right?
working on the tail, stern, and this part here.
And we based it on a Soviet Bory class, which is slightly under just the second one under the Typhoon class, because it's got a single drive system. So we're going to do a water test for the first time.
We've done a couple of things since we saw you last with painting.
Give it a paint job. Yeah, it looks good.
HL1 is ready for going on the water.
Got the fins working, and we're going to test out the direction of the propeller. And we're just going to test the...
in our little pond here. It's not the biggest pond, but
it might fit. We're just going to test the ballast tank as well, just to see what's going on.
cool.
Oh yeah.
Поговорите по-русски? Нет. Alright, here we are on location. We're nearly on location actually, we're in the woods at the moment. To the location. We got our trusty steed and for his maiden voyage and HR1. HR1 ready for its maiden voyage. Birth?
Yeah,
I think they say birth in the sea.
and the seaman class.
Anyway, yeah. Wish
Okay.
us luck and
See how it
game
goes.
on.
Signing out.
Just hold it right. HR1 comrade was successful?
Da! She was successful. The HR1 did well.
But it did get a little bit dicey when it was getting pulled towards the current over there.
But don't tell anyone. Hey! Sorry, I was facing the wrong way. Hi! Here we are at the lake, some such word. Wonder what? We're just checking to see if there's any allowance for submarines there. No prohibition of submarines. No, we got no jet skis apparently. Can't do that, none of that.
And it's a nice sunny day.
So,
So you can see a bit of the lake. Oh, okay. That's a good lake though.
it's a nice lake and a sunny day, as you can tell. I mean, clearly, that's what everybody's out to see. You know? Sun.
Exciting stuff.
Yeah, it's suited. Set full ball. Backing up. Can you turn while you're back? Because it might only turn while you're back. Yeah, she's turning while you're back. Just keep it one angle, like just towards you. Okay, forward. This lake's disgusting. You turn and reverse. Keep it going. Stop it and reverse it. Getting pretty deep there. I have to start swimming if it's over there. No.
Notice. Okay. Reverse it and then go back over here. Once you're straight, just go again. You go hard left. Okay, you're good. Should be good now. Ready? Yep. Keep going. Yeah. You probably just do a turn and go back to you. Keep going. Yep.
Hey, welcome to the end of the show. HL1, first initial test.
Done.
Done, completed, check.
Richie won this one, and congratulations to him.
Cheers.
I would check your hand, but it's a little bit too far away.
Yeah.
Invisible.
No, can't reach.
Can't reach. No, too far. Good on him, and yeah, sign off, and
Stay tuned for the other videos. Like, subscribe.
well done.
Check us out on Instagram, website. Come race with us. hrdroneracing. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
go!
hrdroneracing, hrdroneracing, hrdroneracing.
Yeah!